Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Goa has much more to offer than just sun and sand. So join us as we embark on the journey to explore these hidden, incredible destinations.
Hi guys, today we are going to explore Goa's bird sanctuary.
From bird sanctuary to colorful streets of Goa and very old charm, vintage bar and more.
So let the adventure begin.
Starting the journey with a scenic drive and making a pit stop for some yummy vada pav. Drive to the bird sanctuary itself can be a pleasant experience. The presence of a nearby river adds another layer of natural wonder to the landscape. Just passing by and looking at this view makes me so happy and relaxed. The air is so fresh and filled with oxygen. We have just arrived at the jetty point, where a thrilling ride awaits us to cross the river and explore this incredible sanctuary. Now here's the exciting part. Whether you're traveling by car or bike, you can bring your wheels along on the jetty. That's right, it's an absolutely free ride with no additional charges. This convenience ensures that everyone has the opportunity to visit and experience the wonders of the bird sanctuary. Look at this mesmerizing view. Water surrounds us in all directions, creating a picturesque scene. As we glide across the river, take a moment to appreciate the breathtaking landscape. The vast expanse of water, the distant mountain, and the lush greenery make for a truly remarkable experience. It's like being transported to a paradise dedicated to preserving avian life. Did you know that the bird sanctuary we are heading to is safe haven for countless species of birds? It's their natural habitat where they can thrive and flourish. This sanctuary plays a crucial role in conserving and protecting these beautiful creatures. This tiny mangrove bird sanctuary of Goa is situated to the western tip of Chorao Island along the Mandove River. Was established in 1988. It is spread over 1.78 square kilometers, surrounded by a thick covers of mangrove swamps. As we continue our journey through the jetty, we can't help but notice the magnificent mangrove trees lining the river banks. These unique trees are a vital part of the ecosystem, offering numerous benefits to both wildlife and humans. As we approach the bird sanctuary, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible mangrove forest and the critical role it plays in sustaining life along the river. Join me in the next segment as we delve deeper into the wonders of the bird sanctuary and discover the remarkable avian species that call this place home. We have reached our destination, and now it's time to explore this heaven of avian wonders. Before we begin our adventure, let's take a moment to go over the entry fees and necessary formalities. Once you've paid the entry fees, you're all set to embark on your journey through the bird sanctuary. Take your time to wander along the designated trails and pathways, allowing yourself to fully immerse in the serenity of the sanctuary. Keep your eyes and ears open, as you never know what incredible bird species you might encounter along the way. Update fellow explorers, We've just received some valuable information from the sanctuary staff. Due to the current off season, we may not be able to witness the birds in their full glory today. The optimal time to observe a vast array of bird species is from October to January when they migrate and populate the sanctuary. However, despite the absence of the birds, we are still fortunate to be here amidst the serene beauty of the sanctuary. Let's make the most of our visit and explore the other remarkable aspects this place has to offer. It is important to note that the sanctuary staff mentioned the presence of mosquitoes within the sanctuary. To ensure a comfortable experience, we must take precautions to protect ourselves from these tiny buzzing creatures. Make sure to apply mosquito repellent to exposed skin, wear long sleeves and pants, and consider using a mosquito net or screen if necessary. By being cautious and prepared, we can minimize any inconvenience caused by these buzzing critters. Now that we are ready, let's continue our exploration of the sanctuary. Even without the birds, this place holds its own charm. We can admire the lush vegetation, the tranquil water bodies, and the intricate ecosystem that support the bird life during their peak season. Nature has a way of surprising us with its hidden gems, and we are fortunate to have this opportunity to witness the sanctuary's unique biodiversity. While we might miss out on the bird watching experience today, let's use this time to appreciate the sanctuary's natural surroundings. Learn about the conservation efforts taking place here and reflect on the significance of preserving these habitats for future generations. Just follow the pathway and you never know what you might encounter. This is one of the bird species found here. And maybe some animals like foxes also inhabit the sanctuary. This is another pathway to explore. It's called Bamboo Walk, but it's under construction right now, so we won't be able to explore it at the moment. These are some forest bird species found here. Let's keep following the trail. As we venture further, we may encounter other wildlife that inhabit the sanctuary, such as reptiles, mammals, or even fascinating insects. Remember, every visit to a sanctuary, even during the off season, contributes to its maintenance and conservation. By supporting these efforts, we play an active role in protecting these fragile ecosystems and the wildlife that depends on them. So let's make the most of our visit, embracing the tranquility and beauty of the sanctuary and appreciating the infinite web of life that exists within its boundaries. And don't forget to mark your calendars for the optimal bird watching season from October to January for an even more remarkable experience. Exploring the nearby village area after spending time in a bird sanctuary sounds like a wonderful idea. The green and peaceful environment away from the chaos of the city can be quite refreshing. As you drive through the area, you can enjoy the amazing scenery surrounding you. The lush greenery, open fields, and perhaps even more scenic hills or rivers, depending on the specific location, contribute to a usually pleasing experience. The fresh oxygen in the air adds to the overall feeling of rejuvenation, providing a welcome break from the pollution often found in cities. One of the advantages of driving in village area is relatively empty roads. With less traffic compared to urban areas, you can enjoy a more leisurely and stress-free drive. This allows you to fully immerse yourself in the beauty of the surroundings and soak in the tranquil atmosphere. These are some of the beautiful buildings in this area. Look at this house, it's so beautiful and well maintained. Heading to Panjim to see the famous colorful houses street sounds like a fantastic plan. Panjim is the capital city of Goa, is known for its vibrant picturesque neighborhoods, particularly Fountainillas. Fountainillas is a charming Latin quarter that showcases a unique blend of Portuguese and Indian influences, and it is famous for its beautifully painted houses in vibrant hues. As you arrive in Panjim, you'll be greeted by a kaleidoscope of colors adorning the buildings along the street. The houses in Fountainillas are traditionally painted in bright shades like yellow, blues, pinks, and greens, creating a visually stunning and vibrant atmosphere. Strolling through the colorful streets of Fountainillas, you'll get a glimpse into the rich heritage and cultural legacy of Goa. Many of these houses have stood for centuries, serving as a reminder of the colonial era. As you wander, you can appreciate the quaint charm of the area, with narrow lanes, well-preserved heritage buildings, and beautiful balconies overflowing with potted plants and flowers. While exploring the streets, you might come across art galleries, cafes, boutiques, and small shops selling handicrafts, providing an opportunity to immerse yourself in the local culture and perhaps bring back a memento of your visit. Amidst the colorful streets, we discovered a hidden gem, a small cafe with old charm and rustic vibes. It offered us a cozy retreat, allowing us to relax and indulge in delicious treats while immersing ourselves in the vintage ambience. As you step inside the cafe, you'll likely be greeted by a cozy and intimate atmosphere. The rustic vibes will be evident in the decor, with aged wooded furniture, vintage elements, and perhaps even more antique artifacts. The walls might feature old photographs or artworks that adds to the nostalgic ambience. The lighting in the cafe could be soft and warm, creating a comfortable and relaxed setting. The rustic charm might extend to the tables adorned with mismatched tablecloths or vintage tableware, adding to the overall vintage aesthetics. Overall, exploring a small cafe with old charm and rustic vibes in the colorful streets of Panjim adds another layer of enchantment to your visit. Ending the day with a movie sounds like a perfect way to relax after a day of exploration. After immersing yourself in the colorful streets of Panjim, it's nice to unwind and enjoy some entertainment before heading back home. And now, as the sun sets on a memorable day, it's time for us to head back home, feeling rejuvenated and inspired by the experience we've shared. We hope you enjoyed joining us on this journey through the bird sanctuary, Panjim's colorful houses street, and a relaxing movie night. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures in the future. Until next time, take care and keep exploring.